Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video, Daryl will be showing you how to install your 4G radiator covers. We offer those in mild steel and stainless steel, so check out the link in the description below. You'll be seeing a stainless one installed on a customer's truck today. Went ahead and made an install video for you guys. So like I said, check out that link in the description below. And without further ado, take it away, Daryl.
So this is the stock 4th gen radiator cover. It's kind of a plasticky cardboard cloth funky looking thing. It's fine, it's not very pretty, and these underhoods could use some dress up. 6 push pins I've already removed. Let you remove this and these 2 blocks that you don't use anymore. Then you take these body nuts, basically, I forget what you call them, and you slip them on the radiator housing. You have to stretch them just a little bit to get over there. And the radiator cover goes on where the old one came off. And bolts go in those inserts we just slipped on. So we got those threaded in there. Then we just take our 2 little push pins, just like the ones we took out, but these are included in the kit. And they shove in those 2 holes. And now that we got those things in, we can just tighten down our bolts. You can see that those things are not quite centered in the hole, and that's what's going to hit your hood when your hood closes right there. So I'm going to go ahead and shove back on this just a little bit when I go tighten this bolt down. Get the tease them back that direction, and tightening the bolt will help bring them that direction as well. Other side, shove it back a little bit. And just like that, you got a radiator cover installed that looks a lot better than the stock radiator cover, whether you pick the stainless like this one or the mild steel and you get it powder coated to match your truck.
Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And in the comment section, please let us know an install video you guys would like to see. Behind me, I have a raw 4G radiator cover along with an illusion purple and a wrinkled black powdered one. So let's take a closer look at those. As you've seen in the video, Daryl installing the stainless 4G cover. This is our raw 4G cover. It comes with the stainless badge if you wanted to powder that, but I think they look a lot better powdered. This one is an illusion purple. You can't really tell here in the camera, but this is a very cool color, and we also have a wrinkled black one. And if you are looking to clean up underneath the hood of your 4G, this is where it's at. So don't forget to look at that link in the description below. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to have Daryl take it away again.